Have you ever spent hours, days, even weeks building a store only to end up with zero sales? Or worse, dealing with inventory costs, shipping hassles, and products sitting in your garage gathering dust? I get it. I've been there. And that's exactly why you need to start looking at print on demand. POD lets you skip the headaches, no inventory, no upfront cost, no shipping stress. All you need is a design and a good strategy, the rest is done for you. And here's why you can't ignore this. According to King's research, the global market will reach a value of $9.7 billion in 2024 and will continue to grow significantly over the next few years. Sellers around the world are building scalable businesses, working from home and earning consistent income without holding a single product. After around 10 years working with top sellers at Merchise, I've seen how this simple strategy can transform a struggling shop with zero sales into a thriving business with thousands of orders. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal one powerful tip directly from Merchise, a secret tool and strategy that no one else is talking about. 1. Identify target niche. The first and most critical step in starting a successful print-on-demand business is identifying your target niche. A niche is a specialized market segment focusing on a specific product or audience. Choosing the right niche has many benefits such as increasing profits, reducing competition, and saving on advertising costs. How do you find a profitable niche that truly works for you? 2. Discover hot products. Begin by searching on Google for trending products.
Y'all, Kendrick dropped again. He dropped again. Didn't I say we're witnessing greatness right now?
This record is fire. Oh my God. Shohei Ohtani starts the 50-50 club.
Focus on items that are marked as hot this year and pay close attention to emerging trends. These products often show where customer demand is heading and can give you a head start before the market becomes saturated. 3. Catch new trends early. Use Google Trends to track what's gaining attention across Google Search, Google News, and even YouTube. This tool allows you to visually see how interest in a particular topic or product is growing or declining, helping you jump on trends at the right time. 4. Do relevant keyword research. Finally, back everything up with solid data. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find the exact terms your potential customers are searching for. This will not only help you validate the niche but also understand what your audience truly needs, setting you up for better product selection and smarter marketing. Instead of trying to cover a broad range, focus on a specific market. Once you identify your target audience, such as dog lovers or new parents, it will be easier to build your brand and products accordingly. Once you've clearly defined your target niche, the next logical step is deciding what you're going to sell in that niche. And trust me, choosing the right product line can make or break your store's success. 5. Select product line. Once you've chosen a niche, it's time to pick the right product. This step matters because not all products perform equally. Some are trending, some have high margins, and some are perfect for impulse buys. POD products are not limited to traditional products like t-shirts, hoodies, or coffee mugs. They are virtually endless, offering unlimited creative opportunities for sellers. Here are some best-selling items that Merchise recommends: t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, socks, custom tote bags. Plus, whatever you choose to sell, think about your customers first. Your products need to be suitable and meaningful to your target segment. This will help you more stand out than competitors in the market. On the other hand, if you're not sure how to identify the right product for your online store, here are some great resources to start your research: Amazon, eBay, Etsy, social. Now that you know what products you want to offer, it's time to think about how your customers will recognize and remember your store, starting with choosing the perfect business name. 6. Reserving a business name. Your business name is more than just a label. It's the very first impression you make on potential customers. A memorable, relevant, and professional name immediately builds trust and helps position your store as reliable and credible. When it comes to choosing a business name, don't rely on guesswork. Use the right tools and AI to make smart, data-backed decisions. Besides following essential principles like making your name short, clear, and niche relevant, I highly recommend using tools that will make the process faster and more effective. Start with Shopify's free name generator or name checker to quickly brainstorm and check availability across platforms. Once you've shortlisted some names, make sure to double-check for trademarks using USPTO or a simple Google search. Confirm the name is available on major platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Instagram, and domain registrars. Ensure it emotionally resonates with your target audience. For example, cozy pet prints for pet lovers looking for custom gifts, fit vibe apparel for fitness-focused shoppers. Finally, gather feedback from friends, communities, or even run a quick AI-based survey, using tools like Pollfish, to see which name sticks in people's minds, if it's memorable, easy to pronounce, and aligns with your niche. You found your brand's identity. Print on demand is a potential business model for designers and artists around the world. However, it also has disadvantages such as no control over product quality, low profit margin, and split responsibility. Consider your potential as well as your business goals to decide whether to do pod business or not. If you found this helpful and you're serious about building a print-on-demand business that truly sells, don't stop here. Hit that like button, share this video with a fellow seller who needs it, and subscribe for more proven tips from nearly 10 years of working with top sellers at Merchize. I've got plenty more secrets coming your way, so stay tuned and let's grow your business together.
Merchize. Sell more words.